MJ came into this world prematurely at just 22 weeks and 6 days at University of Michigan Health-Sparrow Children's Center. Mom Jessica and Dad Ross had gone out for a nice dinner together until something didn't feel right to Jessica.
MJ was actually IVF, so he is a true miracle baby. So that's how we started our pregnancy journey.
In COVID.
Yes, during COVID. So it was quite the journey, and then my pregnancy was pretty normal up until things got crazy and the day that I ended up in the hospital.
A Friday night that we just wanted to go out to dinner, and she said something didn't feel right, and we wanted to get a second opinion on, and thank goodness we did, because he was trying to emerge into the world a little early.
That second opinion was key because at 22 weeks, the lungs in a baby start to form. From the beginning, the odds were against MJ. He was given less than a 10% chance of survival. MJ spent 135 days in the NICU.
Typically, studies show 10% or less chance. The classic Jim Carrey line in me came out that said, "But you're saying there's a chance." That's all I could think of, and that's what my father-in-law and I both joked, we're like, all right, you didn't say there is no chance. You said there was a chance, so we believed in that less than 10% chance.
It got really scary at that moment, and all the nurses and doctors were around him trying to figure out what was going on, and they were trying to re-intubate him. And I just remember one of the nurses just came over and just wrapped me in a giant hug, because at that point I was just sobbing.
Right.
Because it was such a scary time. And so just being there for us like that and just supporting us, even not just taking care of our children and supporting our children, but they really supported us as well as the parents, and they were there for us to talk us through things, to be there and feel the emotions with us emotionally.
Although it comes with lots of worry and stressful times, Jessica and Ross absolutely love being parents to MJ.
We love it.
It's definitely, we were very excited to become it, and then it got kind of turned upside down when we first started, but again, with the care that we received from Sparrow, and then just how he's turned out, I mean, we wouldn't have changed anything. So we're so blessed, and again, for all the resources that we've had and people that have been in our lives with him is incredible. From day one of his nurses called him a rock star, and he's lived up to that ever since.
The staff at U of M Health-Sparrow Children's Center were there every step of the way during a very scary time, providing a tremendous amount of support, resources, and hope in a time of uncertainty. MJ is now a happy, energetic 2-year-old.
The nurses and doctors there made it like a second home to us. They became our friends. So yeah, when we left there, it was almost sad because we weren't going to see them every day. We're so happy he's here and that he's doing so well. He's such a blessing for sure, and he is a little miracle.